Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Kajabi for affiliate registration, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin your affiliate registration with Kajabi, first, visit the Kajabi website. In the top right corner, locate and click on the Sign In button. If you do not have an account, select the Get Started option to create a new account. Fill in the required fields with your name, email address, and a secure password. After completing the form, click on the Get Started button to proceed. Once registered, check your email for a verification message. Open the email and follow the verification link to activate your account. Return to the Kajabi website and sign in with your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left side of the dashboard, locate and click on Marketing. From the drop-down menu, select Affiliates. You will now be on the affiliate program page. Here, click on the Apply as an Affiliate button. Fill out the affiliate application form with the necessary details. Ensure to include your payment information for commission payouts. Review your application and confirm that all information is correct. Once complete, submit your application for review. You will receive a confirmation email once your affiliate application is approved. After approval, you can start promoting Kajabi and earning commissions. Log back into your Kajabi account to access your affiliate links and resources. Happy promoting and enjoy your journey as a Kajabi affiliate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.